can you please tell us why you're attending Electromining Africa 2018?
Yes, of course. As SACIC, we attend all shows happening in South Africa and around Africa. We do about 30 exhibitions a year where we attend. It's a very big show. Electromining is the second biggest show in the world for mining. It's an important show for all our members. We have just over 230 members. Many of them are here at the show exhibiting, so we're here to support them. It's also to show face and to see who's around and who's not around at the show. But besides that, we've got a whole lot of companies that we brought out from overseas, the Inward Buying Mission. As an export council, we want to export. So a lot of times we bring our clients that we're exporting to around the world to South Africa. So we have this week, as SACIC, we brought out 13, but in total I think we've got 64 companies from around the world that we're introducing to local companies in South Africa. We're doing business-to-business meetings with them. We're going to the mining precinct, we're taking them to one of our mines. So we do a lot of effort to bring them, to make them feel comfortable and to show them what South Africa is all about and where they're buying their product from. So it's promotion, promotion, promotion. So we would not miss Electromining. Obviously we have a very good relationship with Specialized, and I think they do a great job as well with this, putting the show together.
Perfect. Is there anything else specifically that you're showcasing here at Electromining?
Yeah, we're showcasing our local manufacturing expo, which is the first ever. It's happening in May next year, and it's to promote and to get people to attend, local South African manufacturers to come and attend our local show next year. So that's what the stand is all about. As you can see, it's not a SACIC stand this year.
No, not at all.
It's all about local South African or Southern African manufacturing.
Okay, perfect. And what advantages will this show have for the mining industry here in South Africa?
A lot of people that are all over the world don't come to South Africa to Electromining. Electromining, the attendance is mostly local people, some from Africa. The idea with our local Southern Africa Expo is we've already invited 35 countries to bring inward buying missions, and they've already committed to coming to South Africa. And the idea behind it is to show what South Africa can do, showcase South Africa mining, South Africa agriculture, South Africa industry, without having all the internationals or the importers around. So that's the whole function behind it, and I believe we will be successful.
Perfect. And can you tell me what SACIC is doing to contribute towards digital transformation in South Africa's mining sector?
Digital transformation is very difficult. We're trying our best, but when you're working with a bunch of engineers, digital transformation doesn't work so well because they don't read.
Yes.
They walk around and they want to see, feel, touch.
Correct.
So although we are doing it, we have got a lot of online activity, especially with our overseas people. We do a lot of the digital stuff, but still, when you're working with a mining or any engineering sector, they don't read, they want to see, feel and touch. So that's a difficult one. We as SACIC, we send out everything digitally all the time, and I think 90% of our members still phone and ask what's going on because they don't like reading.
Yeah.
Or they're very busy, and I must say a big part of the digital thing is that people are really busy. Our economy is terrible at the moment, so those that were sitting in the office are now actually trying to see customers.
Perfect. And then can you tell me what some of SACIC's strategic objectives for 2019 is?
2019 for SACIC is hopefully going to be a very good year. We're going to do again some 30 exhibitions around the world. On all these exhibitions we take our members with. We do have the LME in May next year, which is a big function. And we're also promoting transformation and localization amongst the municipalities and the SOCs. So that we have our schools program and we have our apprenticeship program. We have a lot of programs that are running, and we're going to just build on them next year. So we had a good foundation this year, and next year hopefully we'll build on it.
Well, we look forward to covering this.
Yeah, well, we'd love to do that.
Thank you so much for chatting to me today.
Only a pleasure.